Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create handwriting text in Adobe After Effects. Okay, let's start to the video. Create a new composition and then rename it main compose and select OK. Now create a new text. Write any text you want, for example, writing. Okay, select on it and align it to the center. Okay, now we have a layer text and then go to pen tool. We use pen tool to draw line on the text. Okay, zoom it to it for easy. Okay, now start to draw line on all text. Okay, for example, like that. Now, okay, it's super easy to practice. Okay, after we finish an alphabet, we select on layer and start again. Okay, just follow my step. Okay, now we finish the drawing. So select on layer text and go to effect and preset. Search for stroke. Okay, apply on text layer and then select on all mask. For pen style, select reveal and then brush size, increase brush size. Okay, again. Okay, now we increase brush size and then start to animate. First, set timeline here and then select N, set it 0 and create a new keyframe. Go to yes, for duration you can set for you want, for example 2 seconds and then increase it to 100. Okay, now quick look. Okay, that's good. If you think it is too fast, you can make keyframe to here. Yes, around here. Okay, that is good. Okay, that's finished. It's super easy to practice. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Thank you.